Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken fried steak. You will need 2 cube steaks, 1.5 cups of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 3 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 1/4 teaspoons of salt, and vegetable oil for frying. In a dish, combine 1/2 cup of milk and your egg and whisk until well combined. In a separate dish, add the flour and baking powder. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and your onion powder. Add the paprika and garlic powder, then whisk until well combined. Now dredge your steak in the egg mixture, then the flour, then place on a wire rack. Using medium heat, bring your oil to temperature, then fry your steaks for 4 minutes on each side. If you enjoy my quick and easy to follow recipes, please subscribe to my channel, comment, and hit that like button. After 8 minutes, remove your steak from the pan and set it aside until later. Remove most of your oil from the pan, leaving 5 tablespoons. Now add 5 tablespoons of your seasoned flour and mix until it has browned. Now add your remaining milk and continue to whisk. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and continue to mix until your gravy has reached your desired consistency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.